You think your memory is a video recording? You are wrong. It is not a recording. It is a reconstruction. Every time you recall a memory, you destroy the original. You rewrite the script to fit your current narrative. The forgetting curve is brutal. You lose 50% in 1 hour. Why do you forget your keys but remember your trauma? Emotion is the branding iron of the mind. Adrenaline locks the memory in. It signals survival. If it's boring, your brain marks it as spam. Deleted. The hippocampus is a bouncer. It rejects the weak data. But here is the scary part: false memories. You can vividly remember things that never happened. If the crowd says it happened, your brain agrees to survive. Your ego censors your own history to protect your self-image. Sleep is not rest. It is a massacre of weak connections. While you sleep, the brain decides what keeps you alive. It replays the threats. It runs simulations. You don't control this process, but you can hack it. To remember, you must signal importance. Shock your system. Learn in a heightened state. Break the pattern. Routine is the enemy of memory. You forget your commute because it is identical every day. The brain craves novelty. Feed it chaos. Spaced repetition is the only way to beat the curve. Memory requires resistance. If it's easy, it won't stick. The elites use memory palaces, spatial navigation. Attach data to physical locations in your mind. We evolved to remember landscapes, not spreadsheets. Convert abstract data into visceral images. Make the image violent, sexual, or grotesque. You won't forget it. Visualization triggers the same neurons as action. You are the architect of your own mind. But knowing what to forget is more important. Trauma loops because you keep watching the replay. You must manually stop the tape. Connect new data to old data. Forge the chain. Smell bypasses logic. It goes straight to the emotional core. Music is a time machine. Use it to anchor states of mind. Chronic stress shrinks the hippocampus. Fear makes you stupid. You must clear the cache. Silence is the defrag tool. Beware those who rewrite your history. That is called gaslighting. If you don't record your reality, they will invent it for you. Stop taking photos of everything. You're outsourcing your memory to a cloud. Experience it raw, or you will remember the screen, not the sunset. The brain is a muscle. Atrophy is the default state. Passive reading is useless. You're just recognizing, not remembering. Test yourself. Force the brain to retrieve the file. Teach it to an empty chair. If you can't explain it, you don't know it. Sugar inflames the brain. Fasting clears the fog. Sprinting releases BDNF. It's fertilizer for your neurons. The infinite scroll is erasing your attention span. You now have the attention span of a goldfish. Fix it. Isolate yourself. Focus on one task for 90 minutes. Multitasking is a myth. You're just switching contexts rapidly. Unfinished tasks drain your RAM. It's called the Zeigarnik effect. Write it down to get it out of your head. Close the loop. Nostalgia is a liar. The past was not better. You just forgot the pain. Don't live in the past. Simulate the future. You will forget almost everything. Accept this. The only thing you truly own is this exact moment. Are you here, or are you sleepwalking? Your mind is a fortress. Stop leaving the gate open. Recall this. Apply this. Dominate this. The masses forget. The few remember. This is Rawino. Subscribe or fade away. Like and subscribe to Rawino now. Join the community and see what others miss. Choose your next step. Click on one of the videos appearing on screen to gain your psychological edge. I'll see you in the next analysis.